Welcome to another video, and how can I turn this stamp into this image? I will show you in a minute. Hello, my name is Babelborn and I am a stamper from Germany. The stamp I'm using today is a German brand, and I will put the description into the info box below the video, but I'm not sure if you can buy it worldwide. But you can use any of your stamps with a kind of scenery like images like this and turn it into something completely different. I show you how you can achieve this special effect. On the back of this stamp you can see there is no flower pot below the watering can. I have cut off the flower pot and put it on the side, on the edge of this wooden handle. So I can stamp the duck and the watering can and the flower pot in an extra stamping. So I color it with my Memento Luxe to create a crisp and black image that is water resistant, and I want to color it with watercolors later. And as you can see, here is no flower pot because I have cut it off. Now I will alter the image into another scenery by, for example, using some photo stickers or photos. And this is a photo of myself like almost 60 years ago, and it's a baby photo of sweet Barbel. I add some hand drawings to create a new flowering pot. With an acrylic pen I add some basic lines to show you that changing a stamp like that is not hard to do. You don't have to be an artist to add some basic lines like this, and you will have the possibility to change all your stamps into something completely different. Add some handwriting and voila, you got a new image from your stamp. But what about the flower pot I have cut away from my rubber? I can use it for some details and adding some extra in my scenery, as you can see here. And I can use it as a single stamp, or I can use it like this to create an even better scenery with my stamp. Oops, the third flower pot is not that pretty, but I can use my acrylic pen to repair my third stamp image. Now it's time to color my image. I use some watercolors from a German company. I will give you the name of the brand in the info box of the video as usual, but for coloring you can use anything you like. In my world, coloring stamp images is the best and the most relaxing part of the stamping hobby. I hope you liked this video and the idea of altering the stamps you already have in your stash. Don't be afraid to cut rubber because there is almost no way to damage your stamps. And yeah, I hope you have fun and try this on your own. I love you. Bye bye.